Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw Chromium and Hello Kitty. We'll begin by laying down the foundational shapes for both characters. For Chromium, think about a rounded rectangle for the body and a circle for the head. Hello Kitty starts with a simple oval. Remember to use a light touch with your pencil, as these are just guides. This initial step is crucial for getting the proportions right before adding details. Now let's focus on Chromium's unique features. His eyes are large and expressive, often showing curiosity. Place them carefully on the upper half of the head. The mouth is a simple, friendly curve. Don't forget his small, triangular ears and the single, slender antenna extending from the top of his head. These details truly bring Chromium to life, so take your time. Next, we'll give Hello Kitty her charming face. Her eyes are simple black ovals, and her nose is a small yellow oval placed centrally. The most recognizable feature is her red bow, which always sits on her left ear. Remember to add 3 whiskers on each side of her face, extending gently outwards. These elements are key to her sweet and friendly appearance. Finally, it's time to refine your drawings. Carefully go over your preferred lines with a darker pencil or an inking pen to create a clean outline. Once you're satisfied, gently erase all the initial light sketch lines. You can then add some basic shading to give your characters depth, or bring them to life with color. Congratulations, you've drawn Chromium and Hello Kitty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.